Gonna shoot these two targets, hopefully from right over there, 500 yards with an air gun. So the first target is a Coke can 250. It's 38.62. This one's gonna be a hit. Sweet. Okay, this one's 300. So I'm just gonna put that in the kestrel. 300 yards. 50. And a half. And keep the same wind hold. Ooh. Nice to the right. I have no idea. That's hidden. Oh, that was a good hit. And it was blurry as hell. That's awesome. Next one. This next can's 400 yards. So 75. We're at 50. We're at 50, so okay. 60, 70, 75 and a half. Let's try that. Whoa. Wow. So what happened there, I think that was just the cold bore shot, and the speed said 978. So hopefully this one kind of stabilizes out a bit. Hold really low, dead center. High, a little bit more low. Still high. No way in hell that's still high. Okay. Finally, 400 yards. It wasn't pretty, but we got it. And I think a lot of this is just, I'm still learning. I'm probably not the best shot, so I don't know. Okay, so the next one is 500 yards. So I'm gonna zoom out just to give you a little bit of an idea of how far away we are. We're far. So it's a paint can and a pop can 500 yards away. I'm gonna come over to the Kestrel, dial it in real quick. Really testing the scope too. It's an Athlon. It's the Gen 2 ETR. It's been freaking sick so far. I haven't seen any reviews on it, so I'm kind of a guinea pig. Okay, so it's saying 103 MOA. So 25, 50, 75, 100, 101, 102, 103. Pretty much went from the bottom of the scope to the top. So we're using all she's got. Okay, 500 yards per shot. I think we're high and to the left. I want to say. I'm going to do the same hold though, because I'm not sure I was 100% level. To the right. About 3 to the right. Elevation might have been okay actually. Really close. Oh, hell yeah. 500 yards. That'll do. I'm gonna go for the can now. If I can find it. Oh, there we go. I have a couple shots before I'm empty again. No way. That'll do. Back to back 500. So we're down at our targets. There's the paint can. It was right there, but it flung it about 5 feet onto the road. Went through just at the top. Went clear through though, kept on going. And then right after that, we got the Shasta. Took more shots than I wanted it to, but again, like after I found the hold, it was boom, that one. And then the next shot got this one too. So that's pretty freaking sweet.